If you can draw a circle, then you can paint a peach. You can use any red, yellow, and blue you want to. And let's get started. The triad we're going to use today is cadmium, lemon yellow, permanent rose, and cobalt blue. So this is going to be a lighter triad than my previous video. And here is the color wheel made from those colors. And the arrows indicate the opposites across the color wheel. And that's going to be important when we make decisions about painting this peach. So basically to paint this peach, what you need to do is get these colors and make a circle. And now we're going to paint the peach. The sun is coming from the upper left-hand side. So we start with yellow, move into orange, and then here, this is the permanent rose. Working wet into wet, 140-pound rough Arches paper. And now the violet. And as we come around, I'm going to, what am I going to do? Probably hit it with some, a deeper violet or a blue. I'm not sure, because now we're getting to the dark side of the peach. Okay, violet. I didn't want to make the jump. You know, if you make a jump too big between colors on the spectrum, it's sort of abrupt and harsh to the eye. And I wanted the peach to be soft. There we go, into blue. So blue is going to be in the shadow, a little bit of permanent rose, and a little bit of that lemon yellow as it goes out. And then I'll dry the form. So you can draw a circle. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Draw a circle and put in colors like this. And now we'll do the background. Now there's a little bit more color theory when it comes to the background. Where the peach is dark, where it's violet, I'm going to put the opposite. See, I put the yellow there. All right. And then also where the peach over here on this side is mostly orange, I'm going to put the opposite that I've mixed, and that's going to be a green. Now where the peach is orange, I'm going to put some blue, because the opposite of orange is blue. And I should have said the opposite of red is green. That's what I was doing down below. But putting the opposites, and then finally here comes the violet, near where the yellow is on the peach. All of that will make the form appear as if it takes up more space, you know, actual air space, than it does if you were just to put one single color on the background. So go ahead and try this, and here I am putting in a second coat. And this is not of all the colors. I just wanted to beef up by putting the permanent rose on and a little bit of the violet, just to make those colors kind of come together a little bit. And now I'm indicating the opposites. It's important to remember what the opposites are on the color wheel, especially if you're going to do mixing, because if you mix them, you're going to end up neutralizing them and having grays. But more importantly, when it came to the background, I wanted to make strategic decisions about the background. Hope that makes sense. So go ahead. Remember to keep the whites of your paper white, your paints wet, mass for value, mix for color. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.